Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 11 msteams.exe bad image team error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps and features. In the search box, type a team, click on these three dots, go to your advanced options, scroll down, click on repair and reset. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features, select a team, click on these three dots and uninstall it. Click on uninstall. After that, close it. Open any browser and type a team download. Click on a first Microsoft link. Download for desktop. After after installing that, open a file explorer. Go to your C drive. Open a program files. Go to your three dots. Go to your options. Click on view and make sure that show the hidden file and folders. Click on it. After doing this step, find out a Windows app. Open Windows app. Right click, select a Windows app, right click, go to your properties, go to your security. After doing this step, go to your advanced. After doing this step, click on change. After doing this step, click on advanced. After doing this step, find out. After doing this step, select a username. After doing this step, go to your advanced. Click on OK button. Click on replace owner subcontent and objects. Click on apply and OK button. After that, click on OK button. Close it. Open Windows app. Find out a Windows team. Now here is right click. Click on rename it. And after that, close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.